forget everything you knew about SsangYong. This is KGM, and the 2026 Musso is here to prove that. Korea can build a truck just as tough as a Ford and as smart as a Tesla, with a bold new face, a futuristic LED light signature, and a massive technology overhaul. The Musso is no longer the budget alternative, it's the logical choice. It's aggressive, it's refined, and for 2026, it's gone electric. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're diving into the pickup that's making the big brands nervous. For the traditionalists, the 2.2-liter turbo diesel is better than ever, pushing out 202 horsepower and 441 newton-meters of torque. It's a proven workhorse that will still tow 3.5 tons while you sit in a cabin that feels like a luxury SUV. But the headline for 2026 is the Musso EV, using a high-density, 80.6 kilowatt-hours, LFP blade battery. It offers up to 260 miles of range. It's the first electric ute to offer a dual motor, a WD setup with 357 horsepower, giving you sports car acceleration in a package that can still handle a weekend at the campsite. Where the Musso truly shines is in its versatility. You can choose between the standard wheelbase or the XLV long bed, which adds nearly a foot of extra length to the tub. The diesel XLV is a beast. It features a gross train weight of nearly 7 tons, meaning it can tow its maximum 3.5-ton trailer while carrying a full 1-ton payload in the back. Most mid-sized trucks make you choose one or the other. The Musso lets you do both. Whether you choose the leaf spring setup for heavy hauling or the multi-link suspension for comfort, this truck is built to work. Inside, KGM has ditched the work truck aesthetic entirely. You're greeted by dual 12.3-inch high-definition screens running the new Athena 2.0. Software, you've got heated and ventilated Napa leather seats, a 360-degree 3D camera, and even reclining rear seats, a luxury almost unheard of in this segment. It's packed with safety tech too, from lane keep assist to adaptive cruise control. It's making it as capable on the school run as it is on T. The 2026 KGM Musso is proof that the pickup market is evolving. It's tough, tech-heavy, and now eco-friendly. Is this the truck that finally breaks the Ranger's streak? Let us know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.